warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will read Surah Ar-Rahman. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahman 'allamal Qur'an, khalaqal insan, 'allamahul bayan, asy-syamsu wal qamaru bihusban, wan najmu wasyajaru yasjudan, was samaa'a rafa'aha wa wada'al mizan, alla tatghaw fil mizan, wa aqimul wazna bil qisti wa la tughshirul mizan, wal arda wada'aha lil anam. Fiha fakihatu wan nakhlu datul akmam wal habbu dzul asfi war raihan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban khalaqal insana min salsalin kal fakhar wa khalaqal janna min marijim min nar fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban rabbul masyriqaini wa rabbul maghribain fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban marajal bahrani yaltaqiyan bainahuma barzakhun la yabghiyan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban yakhruju minhumal lu'lu'u wal marjan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban walahul jawaril munsya'atu fil bahri kal a'lam fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban kullu man 'alaiha fan wa yabqa wajhu rabbika dzul jalali wal ikram fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban yas'aluhu ma fis samawati wal ard kullu yawmin huwa fi sya'n fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban yanafrughu lakum ayyuhats tsaqalan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban ya ma'syaral jinni wal insi in istata'tum an tanfudhu min aqtaris samawati wal ardi fanfudhu la tanfudhuna illa bisultan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban yursalu 'alaikuma suwadum min narin wa nuhasun fala tantasiran fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban fa idza syaqqatis samaa'u fakanat wardatan kaddihan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban fayawma idil la yus'alu an dzambihi insun wala jan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban yu'raful mujrimuna bisimahum fayu'khadhu bin nawasi wal aqdam fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban hadihi jahannamul lati yukadzibu biha mujrimun yatufuna bainaha wa baina hamimin an fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban waliman khafa maqama rabbih jannatan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban dawata afnan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban fihima 'ainani tajriyan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban fihima min kulli fakihatin zawjan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban muttaqi'ina 'ala furusin bata'inuha min istabraq wajanal jannataini dan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban fihinna qasiratut tarfi lam yatmithunna insun qablahum wala jan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban ka'annahunnal yaqutu wal marjan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban hal jazaa'ul ihsani illal ihsan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban wa min dunihima jannatan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban mudhammatan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban fihi ma'ainani naddaqatan fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فيهن خيرات حسان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان حور مقصورة في الخيام فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان متكئين على رفرف خضر وعبقري حسان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان تبارك اسم ربك ذي الجلال والإكرام Sadaqallahu maulanal azim. Baik, selanjutnya saya akan membacakan resume tafsir dan takwil dari surah Ar-Rahman ayat 1 sampai 78. Surah Overview. Name Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Number of verse 78. Type Madaniyah. Some scholars say Makkiyah. Main them the manifestation of Allah, mercy in creation, His countless blessings, and the day of judgment, and the reward for the righteous. Verse 1 until 4. The most merciful taught the Quran, created man, taught him speech. Tafsir. Allah began by highlighting His attribute of mercy. One of the greatest acts of His mercy is teaching the Quran to humanity. He created humans and granted them the ability to speak and communicate. Ar-Rahman reflects Allah's universal mercy. Teaching the Quran implies divine guidance, and the gift of speech symbolizes human intellect and moral responsibility. Verses 5 until 13. About the order in the universe, sun, moon, star, balance, earth, and its fruit. Tafsir. Allah described the perfect harmony in the cosmos as a sign of His wisdom and power. He created everything in precise measure and balance. Ta'wil. The natural order reflects divine justice and balance. The command not to transgress the balance may also mean maintaining justice and fairness in human behavior. Verses 14 until 25. The creation of humans and jinn and the blessing found in the land and sea. Tafsir. Human beings are created from clay and jinn from smokeless fire. Allah then described the bounties He has spread across land and sea, including fruit, ships, and pearls. Ta'wil. The contrasting origin of human and jinn show their different nature but shared accountability. Worldly blessings are sent meant to lead to gratitude and worship. Verses 26 until 13. Allah that is on it will perish, and the face of your Lord will remain. Tafsir. Everything in this world will eventually come to an end. Only Allah remains eternal. Ta'wil. This verse invites humans to focus on the eternal rather than the temporary, and to seek nearness to Allah instead of being absorbed by the fleeting world. Verses 31 until 36. A direct address to jinn and humans about their accountability and inability to accept divine judgment. Tafsir. Jinn and humans will be judged for their deeds. They cannot flee from Allah's dominion, even if they try to cross the boundaries of the heaven and the earth. Ta'wil. This can be interpreted metaphorically as a warning that no matter how advanced creatures become, they will never be free from their responsibility before God. Verses 37 until 45. Description of the Day of Judgment and the fate of sins. Tafsir. One that day, the heaven will split apart, the guilty will be known by their marks, and no one will be able to escape or be helped. Takwil, the imagery of destruction and despair, represents divine justice and serves as a wake-up call to turn back to righteousness. Verses 46 until 78, description of paradise for those who fear their Lord. Tafsir, there are two gardens for the God-fearing, filled with lush greenery, rivers, fruit, and purified companions. Takwil, the two gardens may represent different levels of paradise, of spiritual and physical reward. The purity and beauty of paradise symbolize inner peace, spiritual fulfillment, and divine pleasure. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.